Thank you for attending the presentation. Now you want to make an inventory of all the data processing that is happening in your organization. You need to find all the software applications that your organization is using. First, you look at the application from the business side. You try to find the user or users who know the application, who know the functionality and know how to use the software. You also need to find the manual, the user guide for this application. Then you look at the application from the IT side. You want to find the IT people who know the application from the technical side, who know the database and the programs. Then you try to find the technical documentation, the documentation that describes the database and the software. Once you have found several software applications, you start looking for interfaces. An interface is a program that copies data from one application to another application. Programmers make interfaces so that users do not need to enter the data a second time. Interface programs often run at night. Once you have found the software applications and the interfaces, you need to look for batch jobs. A batch job is a series of programs that runs at night without intervention from any user. Batch jobs execute many tasks. They send data to other organizations, they receive data from other organizations, they send declarations to the government, they create letters and emails that will be sent to customers. Look out for software applications that are used by the staff and software applications that are used by the customers. Try to find all the places where your organization shares data with the business partners in the supply chain. Once you have found the applications, the interfaces, and the batch jobs, you start looking for the places where data enters the computer and the places where data leaves the computer. Once you have found all the software applications, the interfaces, the batch jobs, and all the points where data enters or leaves the computer of your organization, then you want to find out in which way the data is protected, for instance by encryption. You want to make sure that all the data is properly protected, especially the personal data, and that no one has access to the data apart from the people who work with this data. Sometimes this search is not easy, because the users who know what the application does have left the company, because the IT people who know what the application does from a technical point of view have left the company, because the user manual is incomplete and out of date, or because there is no user manual. Maybe there is no technical documentation about the database and the programs. All these things happen. We wish you a lot of patience and good luck.